Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olachi Zax. I speak on YouTube growth and strategies and personal finance for creators. So, in case any of this that I mentioned is what resonates with you, please watch this video to the very end and make sure you subscribe and also like the video, okay? So, in today's video, we're going to be diving deep into the world of YouTube recommendation system. If you actually understand how the YouTube algorithm system works, you would better know how to position your videos for your right audience, for the right target audience, so that you would be able to reach a wider view of people, people who are sorting out for the kind of content you are putting out here on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the factors that the YouTube algorithm considers whenever they are recommending any video, like any single type of. The first point we are going to talk about is the watch history and the viewer's behavior. That's the first point. So the rate at which a viewer watches a video, like the watch hour, the likes, the comment, the engagement, the amount of time a viewer spends watching a type of video, a type of content. So let me give you an example. Earlier this year I lost my phone around February, but later on around May I got a new one. Then as at May, I think May, June, I started off my YouTube channel. So by the time I got this new phone, I was able to like install YouTube, set up my Gmail account, and I noticed that as at the time I got into the YouTube app, I saw a recommended video on NDE near that experience, and I watched the first one. It was very fascinating. I kept on watching it. The next time I come back on YouTube, the following day, the next and the next and the next, I keep on seeing recommended videos on NDE near that experiences. So this is how watch history actually works. So YouTube algorithm works with the history of the video that your viewer has seen prior to now. Okay, so if the kind of content you are putting out is the kind of content the supposedly viewer likes, or you see that the YouTube algorithm will definitely keep recommending your kind of video to that. Number two point that we are gonna talk about are search queries. Okay, search queries, like the name implies, search queries. So if you are out there, if you're a content creator out there and you're not making good use of keywords, tags, and optimizing your titles, I'm not sure you're doing yourself so much good. Okay, so if you know you are a content creator out there, whether you are educational or you're not in education, whatever sector you're in, make sure you're using the right tags, make sure you're using the right keywords that are related to your niche. Because whenever you see maybe something, someone is going through stuff, mental stress, let's take mental stress for example. Someone is going through mental stress or depression, and someone comes to Google, Gemini, even Chat GPT. Someone comes to Chat GPT and types, "How do I overcome this, that?" You see that sometimes even Chat GPT recommends some YouTube videos that have keywords that are linked to what this particular viewer is searching for. So this is one of the ways that the YouTube system or the YouTube algorithm is going to recommend your videos. So if you're a content creator out there and you are not making good use of your tags, you're not optimizing your titles and your descriptions, I'm not sure you're doing yourself well. You are not. So please make sure you are, optimizing your titles, your descriptions very well. My 3 points would be your meta data. Like I said, if you are not optimizing your title, your description, if you are not putting tags on your videos, now let me advise you. I know some of you know that there is a section for tags. That's whenever you are setting up your YouTube channel, like the advanced setting space, you have sections for putting keywords and you have sections for putting tags. Now make sure that whenever you are uploading a new video here on YouTube, once you've uploaded your video, you've given your video a title and you have descriptions for that particular video, also add tags to your description. It's going to help your videos rank. I know what I'm saying, guys. Make sure you also add tags in your description. It's going to help your videos rank. That is one of the ways that YouTube algorithm helps to recommend your videos to viewers who are looking for the kind of content you put out. Number 4 on how the YouTube algorithm recommends your video to viewers is audience similarities and the kind of channels your viewers watch. Okay, so if your viewers watch people who talk about how to speak well, public speaking and all of that, and you as a content creator, you also put out content on how to speak well on public speaking, eloquence, communication and all of that, you would see that somehow your video will also be ranking close to those kind of other content creators out there that these viewers are watching. So this is where I would advise, make sure, guys, please make sure you are adding your video playlist at the end of your videos. That's make sure you have an end screen. I believe you know what an end screen point is. Number 5, video performance and popularity. Yes, video performance and popularity. Have you ever noticed that any video that goes viral, or have you ever noticed that any of your videos that kind of got views, above your normal average views that you have on your videos, by the time you come back, maybe next 2 weeks, next 3 weeks, that particular video is still gaining traction? Do you know the reason why? Because a lot of persons are maybe using the exact tag or a similar tag that you have on that video, keywords, well optimized words, titles that you have on that video, or maybe it's a current trend, something that people are actively searching at the moment, which is helping build momentum for the YouTube algorithm. YouTube algorithm loves momentum. I don't know if you know that. You don't know? Okay. At least I've told you now. Popularity, videos that are doing so well, you will notice that it will keep doing well. There was this video I made on how I got times 10 of my normal views. That video, as at the time I recorded it, I think I was on 208 or 203 something. Currently that video is still doing well, currently on 222. So you see, the popularity of a thing still works. If you have a video that is doing well, it will keep going, like it will keep doing well. Okay, as long as you have some keywords, some optimized words, titles, tags, well optimized description, of course, that pulls viewers who are looking for the kind of content, or the kind of content to put out there. Now we are going to head on to the last but not the least point for today's video. This is the point where I would ask you to please subscribe, leave me a comment at the comment section, and give this video a thumbs up just in case you've not liked my video, and also share to your friends, your fellow content creators out there, because this video is going to be very helpful to you, to your friends, anyone around you, so that people will better understand how the YouTube algorithm recommends their videos, and they will learn to do better so as to push out that content. Point number 6 is freshness and relevance. YouTube considers how frequently or how recently a video is being uploaded, especially for videos that are time sensitive. Let's take for example news, viral videos, updates. You get like that video I made about the YouTube update, how YouTube is going to take down AI category channels and all of that. So it was an in demand kind of content at the time, so a lot of persons were searching for it. So if you didn't make that video at that time, it's not gonna gain traction at the end of the day, because hello, it's already outdated. The news has passed, is no longer current anymore. So do you understand freshness and relevance? Let me give you an example. Okay, let's say if you are a Nigerian, let's say for example you have a blog channel here on YouTube, and as at last week or last 2 weeks, I guess, we heard the news that the former president Buhari died, and you didn't make that video then, bro. You are coming like now or maybe even next week to make that video. It's not going to gain the traction that it would have gained if actually you made it as at the time that news was fresh and relevant. So you see freshness and relevance. Okay, so if you're out there and you are into news, blogs, and all of that, make sure you're putting out your content like the exact time is happening. Okay, please make sure you're giving people the right information, because I just see a lot of persons putting out content for the sake of putting out content and just be deceiving people. It's not, guys, just a short info. I would start incorporating personal finance topics on this channel, because the truth be told, a lot of content creators come out here to, talk about how to make money and all of that. By the end of the day, you see people squandering the little amounts they even get to make on what's not making sense. Because maybe you saw this person is already monetized, their YouTube channel is already monetized, and you now saw them buy that fancy decks and that gaming chair, decorate their room and all of that, and you feel like you are under pressure to do the same. No, my dear, you are not. Okay, you can keep managing the small space you were managing that got you monetized, and keep managing it till you at least have saved, made some good investment. Then you can start putting it back on yourself. So this is just me like letting you guys know that I will start incorporating personal finance topics, not just you as a person, but for creators, to be better, not just squandering your money on equipment and all of that. It's good to, invest in equipment and all of that, but I believe securing your future is what more than newer equipment. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.